Nike Air Flightposite One is scheduled to make a fashionable comeback in summer 2025 with the release of the Sail colorway in honor of its 25th anniversary. This release belongs to a line of colorways that honor the iconic silhouette that first won over sneakerheads in 1999. With its straightforward yet sophisticated color combination of sail, black, and metallic silver, the future Sail version is modeled after the renowned pearl Foamposite Pro. Longtime admirers find this color scheme nostalgic, and a new generation of sneakerheads who value the Flightposite's futuristic style and superb comfort will find it appealing. Several Nike sportswear retailers will carry the Nike Air Flightposite One Sail in-store and online starting June 12, 2025. The retail price is $250 US, and it comes in men's sizes,